If you are new to Roblox and want to play on a PC or laptop, knowing the basic controls can make a big difference. So in this video, I will walk you through the essential keyboard and mouse controls you need to move around, interact with the game, and get started with confidence. So let's jump right in. So first things first, we are now going to open our Roblox, and this is the interface of Roblox. So now for the first list, I have listed down all the controls that we are going to see in this tutorial. So first, the basic movement controls. Okay, so for that, let me just open any one of the game. So let me just open this one, Combat Arena, and then we are going to hit play. It is going to take some time to reload. Okay, see that we are already into the game, and now it's telling us click to continue. Now if I have to do some basic movement controls, I can just press W to move forward, press A to move left, press D to move right, and then press S to move backward. It's simple. If I want to jump, I can just simply press space in order to jump, and if I want to run, not walk, then I can just press shift and then the W key. My player would easily run. Okay, now there might arise some situation that you need to couch or sit down. So for that, you are going to press shift you are going to press Ctrl or C. Now in this game, C and Ctrl is not working, but in most of the game, if you press C or Ctrl, then you can easily sit down. Now let's just pause this and leave this game. Moving on to our next control, that are the camera controls. So if I just open any other game, or just go to say for example this one. Okay, in the last game I showed you that how you can use your WASD keys to move front, back, sideways. Now you need to look around. So for that, you are going to use your mouse and press on the right button and then drag your mouse where you want to look. Simple. Okay, so you can also use the scroll of the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. You can also press shift in order to lock the screen. Okay, so that was all for the camera controls. Now moving on to our next control, that is the interaction controls. So under interaction controls, let's go into a different game. Okay, so in this game you can see that this is a fighting game, and you can press E in order to use any item. So if I just pick another weapon here, and if I press E, then I can easily choose between my weapons, and I can also press E in order to pick a weapon. I will just walk in front of that weapon, and I will just click E, and it would automatically choose the weapon. Okay. So now if I press B or I, then it would open my inventory. Now in this game there is no inventory, but I can press B or I in different games to open up the inventory as well. Okay, now just moving on to our next controls, that is the chat and communication. Now in here you will see that for chat and communication, if you press tab, it would open the player list that are currently in the server, and in the message section you can also press enter to send a message and press a / in order to open a new chat. Then coming to our next controls, that is the menu controls or the mouse controls. Here you can just click in this menu and see a lot of options here. You can choose music, you can choose avatar, you can select your view, and you can also go to the party section. And for the mouse, right button is for alternative action. Now, and last but not the least, for any advanced control, if you are inside a game and if you press F11, then it would convert your entire game into a full screen, and if you again press F1, then it would come back into a normal position. If you press Windows Shift and S, then it would take a screenshot in Windows. Okay, so that was it from my side today, and that was a quick guide to the basic Roblox control for PC and laptop players. Once you get comfortable with these controls, navigating most Roblox game becomes easy. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.